Are you tired of your Jeep trunk turning into a chaotic mess every time you hit the road? If so, you're not alone. Organizing your gear, especially for long trips or off-road adventures, can be a challenge. Fortunately, trunk storage solutions can turn that cluttered space into a neatly divided, easy-to-access storage area. In this video, we'll review some of the best Jeep trunk storage options available, and remember, the links to all products are in the video description. The JOYTUTUS rear cargo rack is designed for Wrangler JL models from 2018 to 2023 with hard tops. It can hold up to 200 pounds and features adjustable height settings for flexible storage. You can place larger items like camping boxes below and smaller bags on top. It's made from heavy-duty sheet steel and weighs about 34.39 pounds. Assembly requires putting together 3 pieces, but installation is simple with the provided accessories and instructions. This rack is perfect for maximizing your trunk space, especially for camping or long-haul trips. This rack is convertible, and you can fold it up if you need the entire space of your trunk. Next, the Hooke TJ rear trunk is a fantastic option for Jeep Wrangler TJ owners. It holds up to 300 pounds of cargo and divides your trunk into 2 organized spaces. The included elastic rope net keeps items secure, while the EVA foam strips reduce noise and vibration. It's made from durable 14-gauge and 13-gauge steel with a black powder coat finish. Installation is straightforward, but if you have a 2004-2006 LJ, you'll need to remove the rear seats. Weighing around 32 pounds, this rack is a sturdy, reliable solution with a 2-year warranty and lifetime customer support. The rear trunk cargo rack by YZONA is another excellent choice, nearly identical to the JOYTUTUS model. It supports up to 350 pounds and offers adjustable height settings to customize your storage layout. Made from heavy-duty sheet steel, it's designed to fit Wrangler JL 4-door hardtops from 2018 to 2023. The seller also has an option to fit the Jeep Wrangler TJ. The package comes in 3 pieces, requiring assembly before installation. While the design and features closely mirror the JOYTUTUS rack, it's equally reliable for those who need a sturdy, spacious storage solution for their Jeep. The Hooke JL rear trunk is a solid option for 2018-2025 Wrangler JL models with hardtops or Sky One Touch power tops. It holds up to 300 pounds and comes with an elastic rope net for added security. The rack is made from 16-gauge and 10-gauge CNC punched steel, finished with a durable black powder coat. The bottom of the rack sits about 18 inches above the cargo floor, providing ample space below. Installation is easy with a bolt-on system, though you'll need to remove the trim panel on the roll bar for mounting. It weighs about 40 pounds and comes with a 2-year warranty and lifetime customer support. Finally, the Hooke JL rear trunk is compatible with 2007-2025 Wrangler JK and JL 4-door hardtops, excluding the Sky One Touch power top. It holds up to 300 pounds and includes EVA foam strips to reduce noise. Made from 14-gauge and 11-gauge steel, it's built to last with a black powder coat finish. The simple bolt-on installation is convenient, and the rack weighs around 37 pounds. It's a reliable, versatile option for keeping your trunk tidy and securing larger items under the rack with a locked tailgate. Choosing the best Jeep trunk storage comes down to your specific needs, whether it's load capacity, material durability, or installation ease. Links to all the products are in the description, so check them out. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more Jeep gear reviews and adventure tips. Happy trails!